Okay, we're going to do homework for section 8.1. This homework is about confidence interval. Obviously, I will place the link to the lecture under this video. Suppose you compute a 90% confidence interval. What will happen to the confidence interval if you increase the confidence level to 91? So when you increasing confidence level, then confidence interval also will widen, okay, because it's gonna get a greater level of confidence interval. Let's submit and check. Correct. Accordingly, if we decrease confidence level, then it's gonna get the confidence interval will narrow. Okay. Question number 2. Suppose you compute a confidence interval with sample size 58. What will happen to the confidence interval if the sample size is increased? If the sample size is increasing, then confidence interval will narrow because you are going to look among wider size, and that will reduce your confidence. So it's going to be confidence interval will narrow. Correct. Accordingly, if we decrease the sample size, then the confidence interval will widen. Question number 30. Question number 3, never mind. So, a sample of 30 high school basketball players was taken, and whether or not they plan to play basketball in college was recorded. A 95% confidence interval for P. P is a proportion. Okay, and proportion is going between 70% and 73%. Okay, so what is going to be the individual object in the study was randomly selected is school basketball players. Okay, doesn't let me choose. Okay, let me open. Basketball player, correct. So this computer graded, so use exact wording from the problem above. Remember, if the individual is one of the something. What is the variable information recorded for each object in the study? So the variable information was whether or not they, here it is right in the problem, whether or not they plan to play basketball in college. Okay, that's going to be the answer. I opened teacher's preview, so I don't see the option. But it's going to be plan to play basketball in college. Correct, exactly what I said. All right, next one. Question number C. So, state the statistical interpretation of the confidence interval in the content of this problem. So, select the answer. Let's see. Now, finally, we can check. So, what do we have here? We have how many percent? 95%. We are 95% confident that since it's 95%, it's not about mean, it's about percentage. Okay, 95% confident that percentage of all, I would say, percentage of all, yes, all high school basketball player that plan to basketball in college is between what do we have? 70 through 73%. Let me type this one. 70 and 73%. Okay. Let's check. Correct? This one also we check, 73%. Okay. What is the symbol and value of the point of estimate? It's going to be, since we are testing proportion, so since P is a symbol for the proportion for population, then for the point of estimate, meaning proportion for the sample, it's going to be P hat. Here it is. P hat represent P. Checking. We didn't put the answer. Okay, 71.5. How did we get? All right, point of estimate. Let me see. We have 70 and 73%. The point of estimate, you are taking uppercase boundary plus lowercase boundary and divide by 2. So it's going to be, we have 73% plus 70%, and we divide by 2. 143 divided by 2, it's going to be 71.5. That's how we get. Okay. Next one, what is the margin error for the given interval? Margin error, we calculate the opposite way. We need to subtract upper boundary minus low boundary, divide by 2, which is going to be 73 minus 70, divide by 2, going to be 1.5. Let's open it, 71.5. Oh, I can open. I mean 1.5, indeed. It was 1.5, right? Yeah. All right. So we are going to write down our percentage. First one, we know it's 70%. Actually, since it's teacher's preview, I might as well open. So first one is going to be 70%. Second one is going to be our, how much we put here? 71.5 is here point of estimate. And C is going to be upper boundary, which is 73%. And we are done. Okay. Question number 4. Moving to question number 4. So what do we have here? The time to assemble product was recorded for each worker. It's going to be the same thing. So the individual, question A, the individual object in the study was randomly selected. This is computer graded, so use exact wording from the problem above. So I would say each worker at a company. That would be individual object. Worker at the company, correct. What was the variable information recorded for each object? Variable information, it was time that to assemble the product. Okay, perfect. Next, question number C. The rest is going to be the same. Practically, it's going to be select the answer. It's there is a we are 95% confident that the mean weight confidence interval that time assembled to product at workers is between it's gonna be how much we have here, 149, 159. This is 149 and Oh, 149 minutes. Yeah, minutes. Okay. I don't know if you will have option that you can choose it. Let me see how it given. Yeah, minutes. Fully you can write down minutes. Let's might as well check. This is 149 and 159. Okay. 159. Let's check. Correct. 159 again, it's gonna be minutes. Okay. Okay, question number D. What is the symbol and value of point for point of estimate for mu? For mu, the point estimate is going to be, since mu is a mean for the population, then point estimate is going to be mean for the sample, which is going to be x bar. There we go. And x bar is going to be point of estimate. It's going to be the same way like we did for the p hat. So x bar is going to be 149 plus 159 divided by 2. So it's going to be 18, 9, 10, 2, 308 divided by 2, 1, 5, 4. Okay, let's go for it. 154. Now it doesn't bring up the key. Okay, the keyboard, that's fine. Well, I said 154, let's check. Exactly, 154. And for the margin of error, it's going to be subtraction. 159 minus 149, we are getting 10, and divide by 2, we are getting 5 here. Okay, that again doesn't show. Okay, 5. Very good. So we solved this one also, and now to fill out the box, the relationship or the relation on the number of line between numeric values of the point of estimate. So we have A is going to be low boundary, B is going to be point of estimate, and C is going to be upper boundary. So this is going to be, A is going to be 149, then it's going to be 154, and C going to be 159. Okay, I'm done. Thank you for watching. I see you in next video.